G'day, Adam Clancy here, Century Marine Batteries Ambassador for New Zealand. Today we're going to talk about whether you should fast charge your batteries or slow charge your batteries. And I tell you what, there's some pretty good reasons why you should slow charge. In this day and age, we try and get things done in a hurry. But when it comes to batteries, the temptation to charge fast can be a problem because it can cause overheating and it can damage your battery prematurely. The recommended way to charge a battery is to slow charge or trickle charge your battery. This way you get maximum charge and it looks after your battery's health. When it comes to battery chargers, use one that runs with a charge current at about 10% of your battery's capacity. So for example, if you've got a 100 amp hour battery, get one that runs at about 10% or 10 amps. This is a really good rule of thumb. So it's really important to slow charge or trickle charge your batteries to maintain your battery's health. Follow these simple guidelines and you'll get optimum battery performance out of your Century Marine battery.